In 35 seconds, the deadliest animal secrets exposed. Number 1 can kill you in 2 minutes. One touch of this frog's skin holds enough toxin to kill 10 grown men. You'd have less than 2 minutes. This jellyfish doesn't just sting, its venom attacks your heart and nervous system. Most victims drown before reaching shore. This snail's venom is so complex we can't make an anti-venom. One drop contains hundreds of different toxins. There is no cure. Forget sharks and lions. This tiny insect is the world's deadliest animal, killing over 700,000 people every single year. Mind blown. You'll never look at nature the same. Subscribe, like, and watch more right now.